Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Safasham. My metric number is B091810T52. I am from 4BMM, Section 122. My supervisor is Wan Siti Nobaya binti Syahadan. I want to present a bachelor degree project which is design and fabrication of mini machine mixer for cement. So I go to for introduction. The title has been chosen for the project is design and fabrication of mini mixer. Is one of an initiative to improve the mixer machine in mixing the cement which has always been used in the construction site. Concrete mixer are frequently used to make concrete on the construction site, providing workers plenty time to use it before it hardened. Concrete can also be mixed by hand as an alternative to using a machine. This topic is especially to identify the importance of mini mixer machine in the small sector, since the quantity ratio in small construction being used is far less in comparison to civil construction site. The installation can be done by contractor manually, even though it is time consuming. So we go to the problem statement. Since the existing mixer machine is compatible for the big construction, that the people will use their energy manually to make cement mixing for small construction that make a time consuming longer to make a perfect cement. In addition, a human calculation not as precise as the machine, thus a ratio be mistakenly assumed by human. Eventually, it will lead the cement to non-evenly mix. These are a reason why the prototype of the mini mixer machine must to be invented. This is the objective. First, to create and design a small-scale prototype for a mini mixer machine for cement in construction. Second, to make an analysis of the function of a mini mixer machine for cement. And finally, to get a rate for this mini machine mixer compete in marketing, industry, construction. This is for scope project. First, artisanship that has been focused in small sector such as billboard installation. Second, the size of mini mixer in equivalent for 4 liter or 8 kg of the pen bucket. Third, using motor every time mixer is being used. What is mixer? Mixer is a concrete enabling mixing cement with a aggregate such as sand or gravel as well as water. In a typical concrete mixer, the components are combined in spinning drum. For low volume project, portable concrete mixers are typically utilized, and concrete can be mixed on site, providing workers enough time to use the concrete before it hardened. So, concrete mixers are now used to make concrete mixer even in small scale application due to rising demand and technological advancement. Concrete mixer machine can mix concrete mix of various strengths, especially and fast. There is a finally design of project that be created by using SolidWorks. There has been selection of the best concept design. This size design project is 38 inch times 3 inch and times 3 inch. The material costing for project is 388.50 sen ringgit Malaysia for all material that must has been used to make the mini mixer machine for cement. Furthermore, we go to for the manufacture how to make mini mixer machine for cement. First, we must measure and cutting the raw material, and that using the welding method and screw and nut to make the body part of the project, and then we will use spray to make the project look good and beautiful or smart. And after that, we'll wiring the project to make progress. The motor mixer will be used, and finally the project will be finished. This is the analysis experiment on the project. The first experiment is on the weight of the workpiece for the straightness. That show the straightness for the workpiece is very strong to take a lot pressure for the 4 kilo until 10 kilogram in a time taken 5 to 20 minutes. For experiment 2 is about the obtain the quality of concrete that has been mixed for two size quantity. First quarters bucket and second quarters bucket. You can see the result from the table 2. This is the figure for the experiment to obtain the quality of concrete that has been mixed. The figure show how the different can we see with the color and the stability for mixed cement in the 80%, 60% and 90%. The analysis marketing project is the final for analysis in project. So we can see the figure that show the people want to have a mini mixer machine on their industry in a construction site in small scale. The calculation show the best torque for the power motor. The calculation for the torque motor is 106.10 Newton. That is can mix the cement for the load in 8 kilo or 78.48 Newton. It shows the motor have enough power to mix the perfectly cement with less time consuming. In conclusion, the project was finished effectively according to the form of innovation that were chosen at the outside. The finished product is a mini cement mixer machine, and the goal has been met. The first goal was to create a small-scale cement mixing machine. The motor driving force, which can be created according to the formula in 106.10 Newton, that for 10 kilo below loads make cement. The second objective of the project is to obtain an analysis of the functionality of the mini mixer machine. It can be pointed out the mini was built for easy to manage, human-friendly and ergonomic, and equipment with powerful motor power. The last objective that needs to be obtained is the market position for this machine in the construction industry, according to the survey and scoring of ideas used to develop the product. That most common design choice are determined by design criteria. The recommendation for this project is to improve with more research. The project still has to be improved to boost in efficiency in collecting burn on the machine. It will take into account achieving better result to experimental optimization such as change the motor power and make a nice design for the rotator curve, and change the part of the body to the relevant material such as non steel or stainless steel.